Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping. Seems like all the other preppers are showing their prepper hauls and what they bought. I thought I'd do something a little bit different and show you my self-defense and hunting preparation from today. It was really a very nice day for early December in New England. And this is not to show you us having fun, but to show you us practicing for self-defense and hunting. Hey, that's me right there. The key takeaway here is to practice. But first I want to talk to all of the women out there who have never tried to shoot a shotgun and might be afraid. Don't be. Let me tell you, I'm 2 months away from my 75th birthday, and I didn't start shooting until my late 50s. I had never shot a gun or a shotgun before that. I had heard all those stories about the kick and was hesitant. But I'd like to tell all the women out there, don't be afraid. It won't knock you on your butt. However, don't use your husband's or boyfriend's shotgun. The stock will be too long for you, and you could feel it and never want to shoot again. The club where you're shooting should have guns to rent for youth or women, or if you take a lesson from a qualified instructor, he or she will have a shotgun that you can use. And if you're still afraid, you can go with a 20 gauge or a 28 gauge and light shells, and it won't hurt at all. The shells we're shooting for clay pigeons are target shells. They're not the hunting or the self-defense shells. You can get 1 ounce and even 7/8 ounce shells, and they won't have much of a kick at all. As a quick aside, a case of shells were $50 before all the problems of the last year. Today, we were told they would be $94 plus tax. That's enough to make people not want to go out and shoot anymore. But you still need to practice no matter what the cost. And that's what this video is about. You need to practice so much that you are comfortable with your weapon of choice. Now, my shotgun is an over and under, which means only 2 shots. But I can take it out of the case in the dark, put it together in the dark, load it in the dark, and shoot. And if I can hit a little clay pigeon going 60 miles an hour, I'm sure I can hit something a lot bigger and a lot slower. This is how comfortable you need to be with your self-defense skills. All right, I get it. Maybe you don't really want to use a gun, but whatever you have, you need to practice with. If you have a pellet gun, practice. Or one of those guns that shoots those little, they look like gumballs, round, that hurt you but don't kill you, and some of them shoot pepper. You still need to practice with those. If you have a bow and arrow, you need to get really comfortable with it. Did you buy that crossbow and have never used it? You can't wait until they're at the door. You've got to practice and be comfortable with it. Maybe you're just going to throw rocks. Well, I'm telling you, you still have to practice throwing them so you can hit your target. So whatever your self-defense plans are, be so comfortable with it that you can do it in the dark. Have confidence in your plan and in your tool. One other thing, it was a beautiful day today, but we used to shoot all winter, and as a byproduct, I have all kinds of winter clothes to keep me warm, because we would be out there for 3 hours in the freezing cold. But again, let me tell you, you want to practice, 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 get comfortable with your weapon of choice so that if they appear at your door, you are ready. Please subscribe, like the video, comment if you have any other ideas for self-defense and hunting, and thank you for watching.